In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, we need to start by logging into your HubSpot account. Open your browser and head over to the HubSpot dashboard. Make sure you've got those credentials handy, and once you're logged in, we can move on. Now that we're in the HubSpot dashboard, look for the Marketplace icon at the top of the page. It should be on the main navigation bar. Go ahead and click that icon, and then from the drop-down menu that appears, select Apps. This will take you to HubSpot's App Marketplace, where you can find a variety of applications that can work seamlessly with HubSpot. Once you're in the App Marketplace, it's time to search for Slack. In the search bar, type Slack. You should see the official Slack application listing appear right at the top of the page. Click on that, and it will take you to the integration details screen for Slack within HubSpot. Now, before we proceed, it's a good idea to have your Slack workspace open in a separate browser tab. This will make the authentication process a bit smoother. Assuming that's done, go ahead and click the Install App button. This action will initiate the setup process, and we're almost there. After clicking Install, you'll be directed to a permission disclosure page. This page outlines what HubSpot will be able to do within your Slack environment. Read through the permissions carefully. Once you're comfortable with everything, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Allow. This ensures that HubSpot and Slack can securely communicate with each other, enabling you to get the most out of this integration. And just like that, you've completed the integration. But what can you expect now that HubSpot and Slack are connected? You'll be able to sync deal status updates, task tracking, and lead notifications directly into your assigned Slack channels. This means that you can stay updated without having to constantly check back into HubSpot. It's a fantastic way to enhance your team's communication and streamline your workflow. So, to recap, we logged into HubSpot, navigated to the App Marketplace, searched for Slack, and installed the app while allowing the necessary permissions for integration. That's all it takes. Pretty straightforward, right? Remember, if you find yourself getting sidetracked or miss a step, you can always pause, rewind, or even re-watch this video. You want to make sure that everything is done correctly for the best results. Thank you for following along with me today. I hope you find this integration helpful for managing your tasks and staying on top of your leads right from Slack. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And again, if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking it for more content like this. Happy integrating, and I'll see you in the